Wow, Mandarin! Make you amazing! TOCFL Lessons Novice
Ep.3 Number. Today we will learn how to say numbers in Mandarin. In addition, how to ask and answer someone's phone number.
Before we start, please subscribe and turn on the bell.
We start from number 1 to 4. Number 1. E. Number 2. Er. Number 3. San. Number 4. Si. And then from number 5 to number 8. Number 5. Wu. Number 6. Liu. Number 7. Qi. Number 8. Ba. Alright, let's see number 9, 10, and 0. Number 9. 九. Number 10. 十. Zero. 零. Well, let's review everything from number 1 to 0. Number 1. E. Number 2. Er. Number 3. San. Number 4. Si. Number 5. Wu. Number 6. Liu. Number 7. Qi. Number 8. Ba. Number 9. 九. Number 10. 十. And 0. 零. Yay! Challenge time. How to say this number in Mandarin? Number 3. That's right. San. Next one. How about number 9? How to say number 9? Great! Number 9 is 九. Next one, 0. How to say 0 in Mandarin? Fantastic! 0 is 零. Okay, just a quick review to check. Do you remember how to say number 1 to number 5? Number 1, 一。Number 2, 二。Number 3, 三。Number 4, 四。Number 5, 五。So 1 to 5, 一。二。三。四。五。And then let's see from number 6 to 0. Okay, number 6, 六。Number 7, 七。Number 8, 八。Number 9, 九。Number 10, 十。0, 零。From 6 to 0, 六。七。八。九。十。零。Let's take on the challenge of counting down from 10 to 0 together. So we start from 10, 十。九。八。七。六。五。四。三。二。一。零。Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, move on to next part. Phone. So telephone in Mandarin is 电话。电话。电话。And mobile phone is 手机。手机。手 means hand, and 机 is device or machine. So the hand device is mobile phone. 手机。So again, telephone, 电话。电话。And mobile, 手机。手机。电话 and 手机 are the device itself. So let's see one more word. 号码。号码 means number. 号码。So combine them together. Phone number. 电话号码。电话号码。And mobile number. 手机号码。手机号码。The sentence to talk about my number is 我的手机号码是。我的手机号码是 and put a number after it. Again, 我的手机号码是。Let's learn one more word to make a question. It's a question word. 几。几。几 means how many or how much. So let's see the sentence here. 你的电话号码几号？ 你的电话号码几号 ？What's your phone number? But the number here, 号码 can be omitted. 你的电话几号 is fine. 你的电话几号 or 你的电话号码几号 A small conversation here. 你的电话几号 What is your phone number? 你的电话几号 And 我的电话号码是5982147 Again, 我的电话号码是5982147 The whole conversation again. Question. 你的电话几号 Respond. 我的电话号码是5982147 Wonderful! Let's practice numbers and phone. 我的手机号码是6742680 One more time. 我的手机号码 My mobile number 是6742680 Let's see the other one. Try it for yourself this time. Okay, good job. So let's practice together. 我的手机号码是250368279 We can make more question sentence with 几 like the sentence here. 几个美国人几个美国人 How many Americans? 几个美国人个 is the most commonly used measure word. It can be used in a pinch for any noun if you cannot think of a more precise measure word. Although you might not sound quite as smart, you will still get your point across. Also, for many nouns, 个 is the only correct measure word. So don't worry, just use it. If we want to know the quantity of something, we should use a structure 几 measure word and noun. The general structure for measure word is number, measure word, and noun. We just use number to replace the question word 几. So the sentence here, 3个美国人，3个美国人 3 Americans. 3 is a number 3. 个 measure word 美国人 noun. 3个美国人 Quantity questions are phrases for asking questions like how much or how many. You will need to use a question word 几 with measure word for this. More example, 几个台湾人，几个台湾人 How many Taiwanese? 几个台湾人 And let's see the answer. 2个台湾人，2个台湾人 2 Taiwanese. 2个台湾人 Wait, what is 2? We just learned number 2 is 2, right? And why here we use 2? Right, a good question. Actually, in Chinese, there are 2 words for 2. They are 2 and 2. And each is used in different circumstances. The digit 2 is 2. This is used generally in numbers. When counting to 10, giving out a phone number, and so on. Unlike 2, 2 is not used to say there are 2 of something, and does not generally occur with measure word by itself. And 2 is for measure words. When specifying quantities and using measure word to do it, 2 is used. This is when you want to say 2 of something. Wow, not easy today. Okay, quick quiz. 几个法国人？几个法国人？ How many French are there in the picture? 几个法国人？ Please leave a comment below to tell me the answer.
We finished today. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and share it with your friends. By the way, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Alright, see you all next time. 我们下次见 Bye! By the way, if you like our videos and would like to support our creation, please scan the PayPal QR code to buy us a cup of coffee. We will be very grateful to you.